All right, we have a 1965 Corvette Restomod. It has been upgraded with an LS3 crate engine, rated at 430 horsepower. Definitely feels a lot more than that. Made it to a 6-speed Tremec transmission. Ice cold air, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, highly detailed engine compartment, side pipes. It's got new 17-inch American racing wheels, polished alloy wheels, new tires, less than 100 miles on them. Bumpers are nice, show very minimal wear. Paint is really nice. There's just a few small chips in a couple places to be expected on a vehicle that's been driven. Ceramic coated headers, just nicely detailed. All new suspension, chrome alternator. Paint is nice, it's got a great shine. Sun's inhibiting the shine a little bit today, but nice body lines. One little chip that's been touched up there, one there, and one there that has been touched up. Said the bumpers are nice. One tiny little chip there we'll touch up. A couple small chips there. A couple tiny ones there. Door panels are nice. All the rubber seals, felts are as well. The trim tag. And the VIN. Leather interior. All the custom gauges whited out. Couple small chips there that have been touched up. Door jambs are done nicely. Showing 2,964 miles since the restoration. This clutch releases right off the ground.
side. Got blinkers.
So the top's in nice shape. There's a little teeny tiny hole there. Overall, it's very nice, great color, very white, very bright. Padding and everything's still very good around it. Back window's still good. A little bit there that got caught, a little frayed. But overall, it's nice. Paint does have a good shine. The sun hides it out there. Well, your typical spots where you might find some cracks on these old Corvettes, especially when they start getting some horsepower, they're not here on this one. Interior lighting is working on it as well. All the dash lights work as well. Horn wipers. Everything works on the car as it should.